Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page for the blessing to you. Your word of the day is the balance in your life. Balance, mind, body, and spirit. There's no way that you can be your greatest self and enjoy your life by having your world being like a huge tornado, a big tsunami. We need you to be a lazy river. We need you to be that ocean that people can come surf the waves. Come and just feel the breeze off of your water and just relax. We need you to be patient. We need you to make sure that you settle your emotions. Mind, body, and spirit. How do we do that with your mind? We read the things that are trying to that's going to help us take us to the next level of intellect where we want to go. Or our spirit. We make sure that we have a prayer life, meditation life, going out into the elements and just breathing in the natural energies and listen to what Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, and nature has and the message they have for you. And then also we work out our bodies to the best of our abilities. We may walk, jumping jacks, crunches, push-ups, whatever you can do. Make sure that you're doing that, and that'll give you the perfect balance of mind, body, and spirit. I find balance in each sphere of my life. I am the master of my daily life. I make time to nourish my spiritual and physical by taking care of mind, body, and spirit. I bring love to my world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul. Therefore, it rewards me. And then I see the gems in life. Then I see the mysteries of life. I uncover them, and the gifts that I have blow me up to the being that I'm supposed to be. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.